Alright, so now we're making the tray for the sand table. And what we need for that is 2 pieces of plywood 30 inches long. I'm going to go ahead and mark our measurements right now. I'll mark our first measurement anyway. That is 30. Alright, look at the. Alright, finish marking. Okay, line it up, and then we can make our first cut of the day. Right there. Okay, that's it for the table saw for a little while. Alright, next we need to assemble our rails for the sand table. So we have to get measurements off the sand table, and then after we have the measurements, it's pretty simple. A couple screws, probably going to go diagonally, so from the corner to down here. 2 screws for each connection ought to do it, and in total the screws will form a diamond. So let's mock it up, clamp it, and screw it together. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is lay these out, and we want these pieces of wood that are going to be underneath basically go the extent of the joint. So clamp one on there. We want to make sure that we're straight here, so we need one more clamp. 2 clamps would actually be better, but I can't find another one. So, and that'll let us know that we're straight. Okay, I've got all my supplies, and I'm not even going to bother screwing or gluing. These don't have to stick that well. They're probably going to get replaced, and it's just 2x4, so I don't really care. Sand molding table is complete. We have the molding table. We've got 50 pounds of sand in it. We're pretty much ready to move on to building a riddle, so that'll be the next video.